I'm Robin Vincent and welcome to Multi-Music Technology. I've come into possession of a bunch of Volcas, which is an awesome thing on its own. The trouble is that these wonderfully portable and touchable machines are going to end up all over the place. They'll be stuck around, draped around, they'll end up on the floor, they'll be in all sorts of different places. I'm going to tread on them and lose them and drop them and that kind of thing. And so I thought it'd be really good to have somewhere to place them, some form of stand, something that brings it together as an awesome unit of Volcas. So in this probably very short and fruity video, I thought I would just show you what I got to solve this problem. I got this. It's a Volca rack 2x2 by Sequenz. I've only cracked the lid on the box, I haven't put it together or got it out yet, so I thought I would do that and I would share that experience with you to see whether that might be helpful in your wrangling of Volcas. Because Volcas are one of those little boxes that has a habit of multiplying. And if you're not careful, they're just going to get out of hand and they'll end up having one in the kitchen and then one somewhere else, and then they'll never find each other again. So hopefully with this, I can keep them together as an awesome unit. That's the plan. Let's just get on with it, shall we? Okay, in the box we get a guide. That's going to be helpful. Get some nice woodenish sides. Bunch of screws. An Allen key. Oh. Some sort of foamy bit. And the stands themselves. Nice. See the way that they're bent in. Interesting. Extrusions. So I have two of those. So I'm guessing, I mean it's not much of a guess, is it really? That they're going to go in there. Oh, interesting, because this has got rubberized bits on the inside that seem to give it quite a good grip. Interesting. Well, hopefully this is going to reveal itself as we go. Okay, nice thing. Screws, side panels. Alrighty, let's have a looky in the instructions. It's not a weighty tome. So a bit like that, roundy thing at the back, bish bash, those in there, stick your whatsits in, and you're done. See, I like this, the fact that you can lie it down flat like a bit of a console, or stick it up in the air. I think that's pretty cool. So, in my shower of cables, let's see if I can get this right. So I don't think it matters which one of these you use. It's going to be like this anyway, with this behind, a bit like that or something, some such. Like that, through there, into there, there and there and there. Alright, seems simple enough. So the screws just go into the corners very simply. one in this corner, one in that one. I just need to get that in the right place. Use the Allen key, a little bit of quick tightening. Then we've got this thing, it goes on the back here somehow. Super easy. There, that's pretty solid that is. What a nice little unit. I really like the bit at the back as well. It means it's not going to be rolling off your desk, even though my desk is wobbly, which is why that wobbles, but that's really good. You can have it that way up or that way up. Just brilliant. Right, let's put the Watsits in there. I haven't quite worked out exactly which way round I want all of these yet, but let's go like that, like that. Then the one with all the cables down here. That is completely lovely. Look at that. That's just amazing. I love it. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Exactly what I was after. Bang on. Perfect. Now, with a bit of luck, I can shuffle some of these cables a little bit more out of the way. I wonder whether these are long enough to shuffle under the back. Into there. Could be. What about a power cable? Oh, nice. Am I going to do the full stretch? Not quite. Nearly. I don't know, maybe. Swap those two over. That's going to make all the difference. Possibly. That's a little bit tight, that one. It's a little bit tight. But it's not the stand's fault, that's just the length of cable that comes with the Volcas. I wonder whether I have a longer one I can use from something else. Can I put it anywhere else that would make that better? Possibly. So now I can go over the top. Me a little bit more out of the way. This one can go to the bottom, be out of the way. This one can still potentially go around the back and be out of the way. See, that's better. Nice. So maybe with some kind of clip or cable tie around the back, I could tidy those up. And I can use it this way round, or potentially I can turn everything up the other way and use it. Sorry, my power cable's not quite long enough from where it's plugged in. Or I can use it this way round, like so. Of course, everything's upside down now. But there's no reason why I can't use it in that orientation and just turn these up the other way and use those. But I'm kind of thinking I'm liking it in a more of a console way. Yeah, I can sit nicely on my desk and I can play absolutely with this integrated little system. Just beautiful. Well, yeah, happy with that. So there we have it. Yeah, the Sequenz Volca 2x2. Absolutely does the job. They feel pretty solid in there. Obviously they can come out and wobble, but it's not designed as a clamp. It's supposed to be a stand. So yeah, perfect. Fits beautifully. Looks lovely. Cost 70 quid, 75 quid, something like that. So for a stand, for something absolutely designed for the purpose, yeah, that's all right, that is. I think that'll look good anywhere. Good job, Sequenz. Yeah, no complaints. I mean, I've even got a spare screw. No bad thing. No bad thing at all. And yet another Allen key. Awesome. Yeah, so that's it. Cool. Go make some tunes.